SAPNA VAISHNAV from Lakshmi Devi Munda School. I am here as TGT for science, and I am showing some activities which are given by me to my students.
Good morning to my all teachers and principal. My name is Gomal and I am from class 7th A. Today we do experiment of sedimentation, decantation and filtration. When a mixture of sand and water, sand settles down at the bottom, it is sedimentation. When a mixture is allowed to settle, when decant will be float on the top to others of liquid and sediment. It is decantation, a process of separated suspended solid matter from liquid. It is filtration. For example, so we take dirty water, clean water, some soil and funnel, glass, tissue paper, spoon. First we add some soil in water, clean water. We see the soil is settled down. This is sedimentation and clean water on float on top. It is decantation. We take clean water in a bowl. We take clean water in a bowl. Now we filter our water. This is funnel. We put a funnel in a glass and put a napkin in a funnel. We put a funnel in a glass and a napkin settle in a funnel. Now we filtrate the water. We see